It hurts
It was
pretty
partly
much.
sunny, with a temperature of 78.
No, it's not true.
In
So
Roxborough,
if you try to do this, like, what do you like? People are disgusting.
this is a test of the Weather Radio's warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations or other emergencies, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. Reception of this program and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. The variability becomes more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for warnings, selected watches, and other environmental emergencies affecting the following North Carolina counties: Alamance, Alexander, Allegheny, Anson, Bertie, Cabarrus, Caswell, Chatham, Davidson, Davie, Durham, Edgecombe, Forsyth, Franklin, Granville, Greene, Guilford, Halifax, Harnett, Hoke, Iredell, Johnson, Lee, Martin, Montgomery, Moore, Nash, Northampton, Orange, Person, Pitt, Randolph, Richmond, Rockingham, Rowan, Scotland, Stanley, Stokes, Surrey, Union, Vance, Wake, Warren, Wayne, Wilkes, Wilson, and Yadkin. The warning alarm will also be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Chesterfield and Marlborough, and the following counties in Virginia: Brunswick, Carroll, Floyd, Grayson, Henry, Mecklenburg, Patrick, and Pittsylvania. This includes the independent cities of Galax, Martinsville, and Danville. Repeating, the National Weather Service has just activated the public warning alarm tone in the test of the Weather Radio's warning alarm system. Here are the 11 a.m. observations for the Northeast Piedmont. At the Raleigh-Durham Airport, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 77 degrees, the dew point 57, and the relative humidity 50%. The wind was south at 5 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.10 inches and falling. At Burlington, it was sunny. The temperature was 79 degrees, the dew point 56, and the relative humidity 45%. The wind was southwest at 5 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.10 inches and steady. Elsewhere across the state this hour.
Okay. Raleigh did that 40, like, they waited a long time to do that.
Yeah, fuck Raleigh.
Okay, I might have to censor
You know,
that.
I could have called them, but
Looks like you
said
didn't.
what?
You didn't have
Did it
to.
exactly 1 minute after 11.
yeah, I didn't have to.
You did not have to call them.
Very